Even across galaxies, a still image like me can be brought to life with AI.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something amazing to share with you. And trust me, you don't want to miss this.
And in the classroom, keep watching and I will explain how it happened.
Not too long ago, the idea of bringing a simple photo to life felt like pure science fiction, something you'd only see in movies. But today, with the power of AI, it's not just possible, it's easier than ever. Imagine this. You take a still image, maybe of a student in a classroom, a welder at work, or even a futuristic alien flying through space, and with just a few clicks, that picture starts moving, talking, and even showing emotions. That's exactly what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Step by step, you'll see how to turn still images into realistic animated videos, complete with gestures, voice, and lip sync. And the best part, anyone can do it. Let's start with image generation using Dramina.CapCut. One thing I love about Dramina is that it has no credit limit, meaning you can generate as many images as you want without worrying about running out. Here's what you do. On the home page, switch to AI image, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, width to 1024, and height to 576. Then paste in your prompt. For example, I generated a male welder fusing 2 iron rods together, and the results are so detailed and realistic. Next, I tried an alien piloting a spaceship, and finally students in a chemistry lab doing experiments. The results are incredible. Prompt. The more powerful the more results will be. Now that we have our images, let's animate them with Vidful AI. Vidful gives you 8 free credits per account, so if you need more, just use multiple accounts. To animate, upload your image, paste in your prompt, set the duration to 5 seconds, resolution to 360p, and click Generate. Here's my first animation. The welder in action, sparks flying. Next, the alien turning in his cockpit and looking straight at the camera. And finally, the chemistry student carefully working on a titration. Vidful does a great job of making these characters move naturally, like they were recorded in real life. Finally, let's bring it all together with lip sync using Dreamface AI. On the home page, you'll see different options like avatar video, pet lip sync, AI video, and more. From the left menu, click on Photos/Videos, then upload your animated clip. At this point, you can either type in a text script, upload audio, or even record your own voice. I'll go with text. Choose Lisa's voice for a natural female tone.
Welcome to Dreamface.
And hit Generate. Once it finishes processing, you'll see how smooth the lip sync looks. The character actually speaks in sync with the script.
And in the classroom, keep watching and I will explain how it happened. And in the classroom, keep watching and I will explain how it happened.
And here's something cool. Dreamface also gives 1 free AI video trial every day. You can upload an image, add your prompt, and generate a completely new animation. The results look even more alive and expressive than lip sync alone. So there you have it. From a still image to a talking, moving video. We use Dramina for image generation, Vidful AI for animation, and Dreamface for lip sync. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.